Hello, welcome to Linear AutoCAD Tutorials. Don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more design videos. Today, we are going to be learning how to perform the line command and the polyline command. Let's dive in. To perform the line command, the first method we are going to treat is using the shortcut, which is the L in your keyboard. You type your L and you enter, and your cursor changes to a cross. It's ready to draw. Click in any position, you move to the right, you click again, you move to whatever position you want your line to be, and you click. And when you are done, you either escape or enter to end the command. In order to ensure our line maintains a constant vertical direction or horizontal direction, we will have to restrict our cursor. When you go to your status bar, just below here, you see a right angle iconed command. You click on it to ensure it's blue and your cursor has been restricted orthogonally. We go back to draw a line, and this time around we use the draw panel. Within the draw panel, under the home tab, we have our line command. We pick our line and we're ready to draw our line. Click on the spot, drag. Click on the same spot, drag. I keep dragging until we are satisfied. And if you want to form an enclosed plane shape, you can check your command line and there's an option there that says close. Click on it and it closes the shape to form a plane shape. Let's pan the screen to ensure we have enough space. Now the next thing we are going to do is to impute a specific distance and an angle for the line to be drawn at. We go back to our line command, select our line, and we click on a blank space. And ready to draw a line. When we check just above your line, there's an indication of the distance. We have to give it a distance. Let's say 1000 units. After we impute the distance, the next thing you do is to use the tab on your keyboard. When you tab, it permits you to impute the angle, which is going to be measured anti-clockwise by default. We impute the angle 30 degrees, and when we are satisfied, we type enter. Our line has been drawn, and we can now enter or escape. We have our line at an angle. Finally, we are going to discuss the polyline. The polyline permits you to edit the line into vertices and curves after the lines has been drawn. All functions treated in the line command also apply in the polyline. Now let's select the polyline option from our draw panel. There's a polyline option there. Select it and we're ready to draw a polyline. Could pan the screen a bit to give us more space. Click on the free space and I drag. Let's say I want a line of 1000 units in length, and I enter. And I enter again to escape the command. Now let's zoom in. Now select the line using any of the window options. You notice a rectangle is at the center of the line. Toggle your crosshair around that rectangle and you'll see a drop-down window pops up, which shows options like stretch, add vertex, and convert to arc. If we select convert to arc, it permits you to convert this line to an arc. And you can easily give it a distance, which the arc is supposed to measure from the initial horizontal line. We could say 200 units and enter. And as you can see, the polyline has been converted to an arced line. That will be all for this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and also add your comments to tell us what videos you would like to see in a subsequent tutorial. Thank you for watching.